Hey there, I'm Jen Glantz and I'm the founder of Eulogy Generator. I first want to say how sorry I am for your loss. I can't even imagine the heartbreak that you're going through during this very, very, very difficult time. I created Eulogy Generator to make the entire process of writing a eulogy easy and quick. Now, giving a eulogy at a funeral is such a tough thing to do. And when you go to write one, you might be faced with so many emotions that you don't know where to start. This process is going to walk you through everything so that you can have a completed and personalized eulogy in just minutes. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how the process works to show you everything you need to know before you get started. So the first thing you're going to do when you head to our website is click on this button to give the tool a try. You'll then be prompted to this page right here where you will start answering a series of questions. These questions will help you pull out details and memories and stories that you want to include in the eulogy. Once you give us all those details, we will write your eulogy for you instantly. Let me walk you through how the process starts. So when you head here, you will first choose who the eulogy is for. Today, I'm going to write a sample eulogy for a grandparent. Once I click on that button, it'll ask me for the email that I want to use to send the eulogy to once this is over. So I'm going to type my email into the box and press send. After that, it'll ask you for the date of the funeral. So I'm going to say the date is October 21st, 2024. It'll ask you for your name. My name is Jen Glantz. After that, it'll ask for the person's name who passed away. Sandra Owens. Next, it's going to ask you when that person was born. So I will say October 4th, 1945. Now, by the way, if during the process you are asked a question that you don't know the answer to, or you want to think through a little bit more, you can say the word skip and come back to it later on. Next, it's going to ask me about my relationship with that person. She was my grandma. We were very close, and I loved her dearly. After these initial questions, we're going to start to dive into more detailed questions. If you're feeling up to it, this is where you want to share as many details as possible about the person. Now, the more details you give us, the more we can really make this eulogy customized to you and the person who passed away. So then it'll ask me about some of the early memories I had with this person. She used to pick me up from school and take me to the library. She's the reason I love the library so much. Over the years, she taught me how to be a kind person through acts of service. She also had me volunteer with her at the local homeless shelter. We would go out on Friday night dates to the movies and get pizza. She was like a second mother to me. The tool will continue to ask a lot of questions just like these. Let me skip ahead to the next part. After you test out the tool and see how it works, it will prompt you to choose what package you'd like to move forward with. The first package gives you full access to the tool for $35. If you choose that package, you will continue to be asked questions, and soon after you finish answering the questions, the tool will generate your eulogy for you in just seconds. After you get your completed eulogy, you could ask the tool to make unlimited changes for you until your eulogy is perfect. If you choose the second option for $97, what will happen is after you fill out all of the information in the tool, I will get emailed that information and I will sit down and write you your eulogy from scratch. If you want to apply more of a human voice to your eulogy, that's the package that you should pick. Today I'm going to pick the package where the tool writes the eulogy for me. After you pick your package, you'll head back to the chat and continue to answer questions. Once you finish answering your questions, the Eulogy Generator will then show you an outline of what it plans to use to write your eulogy. As you read through the outline, if there's anything you want to change or add or edit, you could ask the tool to do that before it writes your eulogy. So today, I'm going to ask it to add an 8th section thanking people for coming to the funeral from all over the world. I'm also going to ask it in section 4 to add that she loved to drink coffee on the go. Once I give the tool that feedback, it will then regenerate the outline for me. You could look over the new outline, make sure that it looks good, and if it does, you can say, continue, and that is when the Eulogy Generator will start to write you your fully customized and personalized eulogy. As you can see here, it took all of the details that I shared when I answered those questions, and it wrote this eulogy for me here. So you could read through your final eulogy, and again, if there's anything you want to change or add, you could ask the tool to do that for you. So today, I want to say, I'm going to highlight this paragraph and say, can you make this paragraph longer? Once I instruct the Eulogy Generator to make that change, it will then rewrite the eulogy for me and share it here as well. You can make unlimited changes and edits until your eulogy is perfect. Once your eulogy is where you'd like it to be, you can then just copy it into a Word document, print it out, or have it stored on your phone. If during this process you need any extra help, you can click the button up here to get help, and I will reach out in a couple of hours to see how I can help you and to make sure that the process is going seamless for you. Again, my heart goes out to you during this extremely difficult time, and I really hope that our service can make the eulogy process just a whole lot easier for you right now. I'm Jen Glantz, the founder of Eulogy Generator, and if you need anything at all, feel free to send me a message. I'm here for you.